Hi everyone, welcome back to Crystal Flare. I'm Emily. In the previous tutorials, we've made spider, scorpion, and dragonfly, but today we're going under the sea with a sparkling Octopus Suncatcher. Hang it by a window, on your desk, or gift it to a friend. This piece is both fun to make and magical to display. Stick with me step by step, and by the end, you'll have your own crystal octopus shimmering in the sunlight. Before we start, here's what you'll need. You can pause to check carefully, and don't worry, if you'd like all the exact materials ready, I've put together a complete DIY kit for you, linked in the description below. Step 1. Prepare the wires. For the legs, cut 1.5 meters, 59 inches of wire. Fold it into 4 equal parts, then cut. Twist several rounds at the middle point to secure. For the eyes, cut one 10-centimeter piece. For the body, cut one 20-centimeter piece. Tips: after cutting, flatten or file the ends to prevent sharp edges. If the wire feels stiff, gently straighten it before threading. This makes your work smoother. Step 2. Make the body. Take the 20-centimeter 8-inch wire and thread 8 hexagon beads, 14 millimeters, 0.55 inches, onto it. Making sure they all face the same direction for a uniform sparkle. Pull both ends together to form a circle. Twist the ends tightly near the beads to secure. Then trim off excess wire and tuck the ends neatly into the gaps so they don't stick out. Tips: keep all beads aligned to the same angle for the most balanced shine. Tighten firmly but gently. Too much force may crack the crystals. Use a round stick, like a pen, to shape the circle evenly before locking it in place. Always tuck wire ends carefully with pliers to keep it neat and safe. Great job! The body is done, and it already looks beautiful. Step 3. Attach the legs. Take the grouped wires from step 1 and insert them through the hole of the 30 millimeter 1.18 inch teardrop bead. Adjust so the wires sit in the center. Then twist 2 to 3 rounds to secure. Nice work. Now your octopus has its base ready. Step 4. Make the eyes. Take the 10-centimeter 4-inch wire and insert it through the hole of the 30 millimeter 1.18 inch teardrop bead. Measure about 2 centimeters, 0.8 inches, from the center Then thread one 6mm black bead on each side. Twist both ends close to the bead to secure. Then trim off any excess wire. And there you go, the octopus now has its eyes. Step 5. Make the body and bead the legs. Thread the 8 leg wires through the crystal body you made in step 2, then separate them into individual legs. For each leg, follow this bead sequence: 1 white bead 10 mm, 0.4 inches, 1 pink rhinestone spacer, 1 purple bead 10 mm, 0.4 inches, 1 white flower charm 6 mm, 0.24 inches, 1 dark purple bead 6 mm, 0.24 inches, 1 white flower charm 6 mm, 1 black bead 6 mm, 1 white flower charm 6 mm, 1 rainbow bead 6 mm, 1 white flower charm 6 mm, 0.24 inches, 1 oval bead 10 mm, 1 white flower charm 4 mm, 3 light pink beads 6 mm, 0.24 inches. One white flower charm 4 mm, 0.16 inches, 1 dark purple bead 6 mm, 1 white flower charm 4 mm, 1 rainbow bead 6 mm, 1 white flower charm 4 mm, 1 transparent purple bead 6 mm, 1 white flower charm 4 mm, 1 oval bead 10 mm, 1 white flower charm 4 mm, 1 cone purple bead 4 mm, 1 white flower charm 4 mm, 1 cone bead, other color, 4 mm, 1 white flower charm 4 mm, 1 cone purple bead 4 mm, 1 white flower charm 4 mm, 1 crystal cone bead, purple. When finished, trim off excess wire and curl the end neatly to hold the last bead in place. Shape the wire gently to create soft, natural curves for the legs. Tips: work on one leg at a time to avoid mixing up the bead sequence. Prepare beads for each leg in advance. It makes the process quicker. Align oval and cone beads in the same direction for harmony. Adjust the leg curves gently after securing all beads. Always tuck wire ends inside the last bead for safety. And that's it. Your sparkling crystal octopus is finished. It will shine beautifully when hung by a window, displayed on your desk, or used as a decorative charm. You can also experiment with different bead colors to make unique octopus designs, turn it into a handmade gift, or combine it with a suncatcher chain for even more dazzling light effects. Thank you so much for crafting with me today. You did an amazing job. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Crystal Flare for more fun and magical DIYs. And as always, keep shining.